Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. I haven't done a Happy Mail video in a while because technically I stopped. I kind of stopped taking Happy Mail because I have so much stuff. I'm so blessed. But when dear Angela reached out to me, I couldn't say no. And I hate to say no because I love Happy Mail. And I love my friends in this community. So we're going to open this package today. I'm going to have her channel linked and everything. Just so, oh my gosh, Dear Angela's Vintage. Oh my goodness. What a sweet cord. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what she sent. She sent me some vintage ephemera and oh my God, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look at this bag. And you're all fancy. Now, she told me, I was really super excited about this actually. She had been die cutting and paper punching a bunch of her scrap paper and asked me if I would want some of these. Absolutely. Absolutely. Tootly. Look at these leaves. How pretty. Let me get a little container. Let me get one of my little containers over here. We'll separate these now. I've got I do have a storage option. If y'all haven't seen my Shednanigans, that's the name of my shed. I have a craft shed. I named it Shednanigans. If y'all haven't seen that tour yet, I'll try and remember to link that video. I just released it. Y'all may not have had a chance to watch it yet. But I have a storage option for die cuts now, and I'm super, super excited about that because I can get to it easily. It's all marked and labeled, and these are fabulous. Can you see this? Watch. Look how pretty this is going to be. That is perfect. Oh, that's going just like that. Angela, these are perfect. Look at these little punches. Look at these. I have one for circles. Oh, yeah. I have seen so many people making like belly bands, for example, just with circles. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this one. Look at this paper. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Angela, I love all these. Look at the teeny ones, y'all. Love them. Oh, the scallops. I love this paper. Look at these. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That one's cute. They're all cute. Oh my goodness. Yep. Look at, did you cut that out? Look. I really did just finish like micro-organizing, rearranging, doing all the things with my shed. So I have not been creating lately. I really haven't. And when I tell you I'm dying to create, I am literally, this is happening. I've got one more video that I have to do. I have a collab that a company reached out to me, so I want to do that video. And then after that, it's on like Donkey Kong, y'all. We are sitting here. I may not even go inside tonight. I may just sleep out here. Who knows? Look how pretty. These are beautiful, Angela. Thank you for doing, these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. I love all of these. Angela. Oh, look how cute the little flower ones are. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Oh yeah. These are fantastic. Yes, so I'm excited. I've got a couple of, like, one of the projects I want to do is I want to make some fabric tags because I found some fabric vintage pillowcases and I cannot wait. No. Look at her. And you cut that out? She's pretty. She's going in my Pattern People. And again, I got another storage solution for that too. So I can easily find them. These are precious. Oh my gosh. Girl, you've been a fussy cutting fool, huh? Look, for 4th of July. Oh, wow. Oh, look at her. Look how cute. Love them. Love these. Look at that little moth. Oh my gosh, what is this? Hold on, please. What is this? Angela. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Okay, I don't want to mess up that little leaf. The little leaves are going to come in so handy. Oh, no. Wait. What is this? Look how cute that little bag is. I love that little bag. They're stickers. Oh, no, ma'am. How did you know I love a good sticker? Oh, and look, they're people stickers. Oh, yes. Oh, look her. Those are so sweet. Look how that's the page. Actually looks like a page pocket. The camera. Oh, Ange. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. These are fantastic. Thank you so much, Angela. Oh, yes. These got to go right back because, again, I have another solution for the stickers. Storage solution. I do. I have a whole drawer just dedicated. And, you know, a small drawer is not like a big chest of drawer, but it's big enough for this. It is. Okay, I don't want to go through this yet. I want to continue with the paper. These are beautiful. Oh, look at this paper. Look at that paper. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, she sent me the Mardi Gras colors. Huh, Ange? I know it. I know that's what you did. I see you. Look at this paper. Oh, that's super cool. That's super cool. Thank you. Oh, no. You know what some silly fool did? Oh, look how cute. I need to put this in a frame up here. I'm going to put this up here so I can watch it, so I can see it. Yeah, I'm going to put that right up there. Oh, no, ma'am. Nope. And she knows I love the pattern, little pattern people. These are so cute. I got to scan those. Look. Look how cute. Yes, she said she was going to send me some vintage book pages. Oh, wow. These are perfect, too, for collage. And I'm doing my Sunday coffee clutch collage videos. In fact, that's one of the videos I got to do. I kind of forgot about it. Oh, shoot, I got to take care of that. This is cute. Oh, yes. I want to do a big journaling card with which side, though? I think I'm going to do this side. I want to do a big journaling card with that. Yep. I love these. Oh, look, the little bug. Look at the little bug. I love that. Look how cute that looks on that. I love, and this is vintage. This is vintage. I know it is. I love this. These, you can easily turn into a horizontal belly band. Easily. And they're just as cute as they can be. Like this sled, for example, for a winter journal, be perfect. Oh, yeah, look at this. That's sugarcane in Louisiana. Look what she did. She sent me that. Oh, Angela, thank you so much. Thank you for sending me that. I have a whole section for my Louisiana stuff. I need to put that in there. Okay, here we go. Thank heaven for little girls. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Oh, these pages are so pretty. Look at these. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. In fact, right now, I have 2 journals that I can use this in right now. 2 custom journals. They are for sisters. 1 each for, and they're sisters. I'm gonna use that. I am. I think I might use this too. These are beautiful. Angela, thank you so much for sharing this with me. Look at these these are gorgeous. Angela. Oh my goodness. Okay, we looked at these, but they're just so pretty. Now I want to open this. I can't even deal with myself right now. Look at this, y'all. Martha Washington in Virginia. These are vintage, guys, 1947. That's Angela. Thank you for sharing this with me. These are beautiful. This is beautiful. This is North Carolina. Look how gorgeous these trees are by the water. Look at this, Pine Lake in Pontiac, Michigan. I don't know if I can tell what it is, what the date is, but it's old. Oh my gosh, look at this, Daytona Beach. See, we're not the only one with alligators. I'm in Louisiana, by the way, for those of you who may be new here. This is awesome. 1918, y'all. Goodness, Angela. No way. Oh, wow. These are spectacular. Thank you for sharing these. This is incredibly generous. Thank you so much, Ange. I love these. I love just sticking these in journals. I love these. Look at this vellum. Look at those. And this stuff. This is, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set up a file for collage items so I will use this stuff. You'll see it in upcoming Sunday Coffee Klatch collages. That's what I need to do that. I need to have just a little box or some kind of file where I have my collage pieces ready to go. Because these papers are perfect for that, Angela. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. These are perfect. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. These are fantastic. And this too. This is all perfect. These are vintage, so I like to hoard things. I do. I like to hoard my Happy Mail, but I need to not do that. I need to use my Happy Mail. And that's what I'm going to do. Angela, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to use this plastic bag that you sent me. I'm going to put my collage things in here so that I can use that on my Sunday Coffee Klatch collage. So thank you so much. Thank you all so much, very, very much, for stopping by and watching this wonderful Happy Mail from Dear Angela. I'm going to have her channel linked, and I want you to watch out for Dear Angela because she's involved with a group of folks who do a crafty sale. They do crafty marathon sales every few months. Plus, she helps to moderate or manage an Instagram group that's kind of private. And I mean, it's not exclusive or anything. They'll welcome anybody. But her and Julie at Day Trip Vintage Co. kind of manage that page, and I'm a part of that. I will tell you, I don't join into a lot of those kind of groups because, you know, sometimes you're required to do different things or participate. You're not in this. You can upload images if you want to share what you've created in that group, with that group exclusively. If you want to share anything that you've made, or you know, like if you've hauled something and you want to share a picture, you can do it in that group. I rarely, when I tell you like rarely, I don't know if I've ever uploaded anything, to be honest with you, but I love to see what everybody's getting. I just don't, you know, again, you know, life, you know, time and whatever, but I've always felt so welcome there, and I've never felt like, you know, oh, she doesn't share anything. It's just not like that at all. So I will have Dear Angela's link. I will have her channel linked. And since I mentioned Julie at Day Trip Vintage Co., I'll have her channel linked too. Julie does a live sale also on Thursdays, and that's how Angela and I connected. So anyway, thank you again, guys. I'm just rambling on. I really do appreciate you coming here today. And remember what I always say, I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I am going to have using all these items that dear Angela sent me in Happy Mail. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.